Hello, my loves. Welcome back. Today we're talking about something that can completely make or break your outfit, your accessories, because the right ones can elevate your elegance instantly, but the wrong ones, they quietly take away from the image you're trying to project without you even realizing it. And the truth is, after 40, this matters even more, because now you're no longer dressing to impress, you're dressing to be understood. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the exact accessories elegant, refined women rely on and the ones that instantly make a look feel outdated or overdone. And stay with me until the end, because the last one is the one almost no one is using, but it changes everything. If you're building a more elegant, intentional life, subscribe, my love. And if you're ready for a deeper transformation, my masterclass is linked below. Accessory 1. The signature bag, Bottega Andiamo. Let's start with something very important, your bag. Because before anyone notices your outfit, they notice what you're carrying. Imagine this. It's a beautiful Friday evening. You're walking into a restaurant. The lighting is soft. Everything feels calm, elevated. You're wearing something simple, nothing loud. And in your hand, a structured leather bag in a rich, warm tone, cognac, deep brown, soft taupe. You don't hold it tightly. You don't adjust it constantly. You just carry it, and that's the difference. A refined woman doesn't change her bag for every outfit. She has a signature. One bag that works for her life, meetings, lunches, travel, evenings, and everything else adjusts to it. And here's what most women don't realize. When your bag is right, you can wear the simplest outfit in the world and still look elevated. This is not about having many bags. It's about having the one that says, I know exactly who I am. Accessory 2, the gold bangle, soft power detail. Now let's move into something more subtle, your wrist. Imagine this moment. You're sitting outside, maybe having coffee or dinner. You reach for your glass, and there it is, one gold bangle. It moves slightly with you, not loud, not stacked, not trying. And this is where elegance becomes very clear, because most women think more jewelry equals more beautiful. But after a certain point in life, more starts to look like noise. So instead, you do something different. You choose one beautiful piece that moves with you, that catches the light, and then you stop. Because restraint is what makes you look expensive. A woman who wears one is a woman who doesn't need to prove anything. Accessory 3, the silk scarf, the most underrated elegance tool. Now this one is one of my favorites, the silk scarf. And my love, this is where most women are completely underusing their elegance, because they think it's just for the neck. But let me show you something. Scene 1, hair. Imagine a soft spring day. Your hair's in a low bun, and you wrap a silk scarf gently around it. Suddenly, your entire face looks more refined, more feminine, more intentional. No necklace needed, no extra effort. Scene 2, bag. Or you tie it to your bag, one simple knot, and now your bag doesn't just look expensive, it looks styled. And there's a difference. Scene 3, waist, dress. Or imagine this, you're wearing a simple flowing dress, and instead of a belt, you tie a silk scarf at the waist. It moves with you. It softens the look. It adds color without effort. And suddenly, you look like you understand style on a deeper level. Scene 4, trousers. And this one, almost no one does. You take that same scarf and you tie it slightly lower, on the hips, over wide trousers. And now, your outfit has movement, dimension, and that quiet editorial feeling. And the rule here is simple. Let the scarf do the work. Don't over-accessorize it. Don't compete with it. One scarf can give you 4 completely different versions of yourself. Accessory 4, the elevated shoe, mule/slingback. Now let's talk about something that changes your entire presence, your shoes. Imagine this. You're getting out of a car or walking into a terrace, and as you step forward, your shoe is not heavy, not bulky, not trying to be seen. It's a soft, elegant mule or a delicate slingback, and suddenly, your whole silhouette looks lighter. This is something many women don't realize. After 40, your shoe should not dominate your outfit. It should refine it. And here's where the transformation happens. When your foot is slightly exposed, when the shape is clean, when the heel is subtle, your legs look longer, your posture looks softer, and your entire energy becomes more feminine. This is not just a shoe. It's the difference between looking dressed and looking refined. Accessory 5, the delicate necklace, the collarbone effect. Now, let's come a little closer. Your neckline, because in spring and summer, this area becomes one of the most beautiful parts of your presence. Imagine, you're wearing a soft linen top, slightly open. Your skin is glowing. And right at the center, a delicate gold necklace. Not heavy, not layered, not competing. Just resting exactly where it should. This is where many women go wrong. They try to fill the space, but elegance knows when to leave space untouched. And when you get this right, people don't see your necklace first. They see your face, and that's the goal. A delicate necklace doesn't decorate you. It draws attention to you. Accessory 6, the right sunglasses, face framing power. Now let's step outside for a moment, because this one changes how the world sees your face, your sunglasses. Imagine walking in the city or arriving at a cafe. You put your sunglasses on, pause, and instantly, you feel composed. Sunglasses are not just protection. They are framing. They frame your eyes, your expression, your entire presence. And the difference is in the choice. Not trendy colors, not overly dramatic shapes, but something structured, soft, neutral, intentional. Think warm browns, soft ivory, classic black. Because when the frame is right, your face looks more defined, more calm, more elevated. A refined woman doesn't experiment with her sunglasses. She decides and stays consistent. Accessory 7, the hat, the she has a life signal. Now this one is very special. A hat, and not just any hat. Imagine this. You're walking into a coastal restaurant or sitting outside on a beautiful day. You're wearing linen, soft colors, and you place a structured hat on your head. Suddenly, you don't just look dressed, you look like you have a life. A hat changes perception instantly. It adds height. It frames your face. It creates mystery. And most importantly, it makes everything else look more intentional. And here's the difference. Not floppy, not oversized in a chaotic way, but structured, clean, balanced. The kind of hat that looks like you chose it, not like you grabbed it. A woman who wears a hat well always looks like she's arriving somewhere beautiful. Accessory 8, the ear cuff, quietly unexpected. Now this one, most women don't expect the ear cuff. And I know, you might think this is something younger women wear, but the way you wear it changes everything. Imagine this. Your hair is softly pulled back, your face is visible, and instead of earrings, you wear one single gold cuff, higher on the ear, and nothing else. Not both ears, not stacked, not combined. Just one. This is where elegance becomes very subtle, because you're choosing something unexpected, and when you do this, people don't know exactly what changed, but they feel it. It draws attention upward to your eyes, your cheekbones, not down. A woman who wears one unexpected piece shows she doesn't follow. She understands. Accessory 9, the gold chain belt, movement plus femininity. Now let's talk about something very feminine, the gold chain belt. Imagine this. You're wearing a soft flowing dress. It moves when you walk. It feels light. And instead of a heavy belt, you add a fine gold chain. It catches the light. It moves with your body. It defines your waist without forcing it. This is where elegance meets softness. Because you're not trying to shape your body. You're enhancing what's already there. Second scene, trousers. Or even more elevated, you wear it with wide trousers, and suddenly, a simple outfit becomes styled. And the secret here is very important. Keep it fine, keep it light, because heavy chains break the illusion. A refined woman doesn't force attention. She allows it to move toward her. Accessory 10, the basket bag, effortless luxury. Now the last one is not about structure. It's about ease. Imagine this, a slow morning, a beautiful market, a lunch near the sea, or even just a soft summer day. And instead of a structured bag, you carry a woven basket bag. But not just any, one with beautiful leather details, clean shape, quality you can feel. This is where lifestyle shows, because this bag doesn't say, "I'm going somewhere important." It says, "I already live a beautiful life." And that feeling is what makes it powerful. A woman who knows when to soften her look always looks more elevated. My love, if you noticed, none of these accessories were loud. Nothing here was trying too hard. Because after a certain point in life, elegance becomes quieter and more intentional. Now I'm very curious, which one of these do you already wear? And which one are you ready to add? Tell me in the comments. I always read you. And if this is the life you're building, don't forget to subscribe, my love. I'll see you in the next one.